Keeping an eye on storms out in western Kansas. The atmosphere is ripe for tornadic development to continue. A tornado watch stays in effect from southwest Nebraska through western Kansas until 7 o'clock this evening. But Wallace and Logan counties, we've had tornado warnings, and you can see those that are flashing, one in purple, one in red. Purple is confirmed. We've had a line of tornadoes moving to the northwest of Highway 40 in and out of the Weskin area. Also over toward Logan County, we do have additional thunderstorms that are tornado warned upon. You can see those storms from Garden City off into the distance. Here in Wichita, we still have to wait for that line, that area of thunderstorms to move in later this evening after 7 o'clock. By midnight, most of these storms will be wrapping up, but tomorrow, severe storm threat moves off to the east.